What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to add a PDF viewer to Framer. So currently you're here on Framer and we're trying to create something. So if you want to add a PDF viewer to Framer, just as you can see right here, what you need to do is to go over to the insert button at the top left corner right here, click on insert, and then of course you want to search for embed. So once you search for embed, you can see embed icon right here. It's actually a component or an element. So you're going to drag and drop it over the area in your Framer site. You want to drop it. So we're going to leave it right there. And next, we're going to look for the link to the PDF. So if you have your PDF in your local drive, you want to upload it to your Google Drive. And once you upload it to your Google Drive, you want to make sure that the file is easily accessible to everyone. So for example, if we go over to our Google Drive, and here we have research on artificial intelligence. So we're going to right click on it, then click share, then click share again. Then we're going to make sure that the access is anyone with link. So when this happens, you can go ahead and click on copy link, then go back to Framer. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down to where you can put the URL. It might be in URL or HTML. Our goal here is to leave it in URL and then paste it. Now, here's something you need to take note of. Now, this is the link. Of course, you could see this is the end and we're going to the beginning, but we're going to go to the end and we want to delete this. Just go ahead and delete that last part. And then you have view. You just want to go and make it preview. And that's it. Now it ends with preview. So once you do that, you can press enter. And there you have our PDF viewer loaded up. So in any link you copy from your Google Drive, you want to make sure that preview is what it ends with. Of course, we had view before, but we deleted the other things that came after and then made it to write preview. And of course, once you do that, you press an enter, you have the exact same result, which we have right here.